And I got this hair wig yesterday. This is $20. It's no way my synthetic wig look better than y'all. Well, it is. That's crazy. And I never thought to wear this wig. This wig been in my closet for 3 years. 3 years. 3 freaking years. All jokes aside though, I installed this wig on Thursday night. I literally went to the pool in this wig and this hair got wet. Hair was never supposed to get wet. But listen. And the hair is still popping back out. I had this wig in my closet for 3 years. And I never thought to wear it. I'm going back to my synthetic wig. I'm sorry. My synthetic wig look way better than y'all real wig. And that's sad. Like, that's sad. That's very sad. Like, the camera gives this wig no justice. Like, it's a really, really pretty. Like, look at this. You can't really tell. It's beautiful. Why didn't I wear this sooner? For like I feel Rican in this. It's so pretty. And the little brown, you can't really see, but the brown is popping. I want a real wig like this. It's crazy. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just popping in with a small hair review because initially I was not going to do a hair review on this wig just because the wig is old. And what I mean by old is it's an older wig. I had the wig in my closet for like 3 years. I never took it out the box. I never thought to even install this wig. I just had the wig. So yeah, I never thought to even install this wig because initially it was like in my closet for 3 years. I never tried to, I don't know, I had a couple wigs in my closet for a few years and I kind of went through them as I went, but this one just stayed in my closet for a long time and I really don't know why I did that because the wig is bomb. This is a $20 wig that I think I got it from like, don't give me the line, but it was either like Sister Beauty or like what's the other one we used to use? I can't remember. I know they based in New York. I'll put their name if I can find it. This wig is a synthetic wig. It's beautiful though. And the only reason I'm doing this video is because I've been getting so many compliments on this wig. I'll show y'all the stock card in a minute, or I'll put it in the end or something like that. But basically, I just want to come show y'all this hair. The color is F1B30. And actually, like I said, I wasn't going to initially do a review on this wig. I actually went to the pool the other day and I got this wig wet. And I installed this wig last Thursday night. It is Thursday today, so it's technically a week that I had the wig in. So I installed it Thursday night, and then Saturday I went to the pool. I wasn't supposed to get my hair wet, but it just happened. It just happened. So this is the color. These are the ends. I'm just detangling a little bit because it was in my bonnet. This side to me is the better side because this side, child, I actually cut the lace off too much. Like, it's not that much lace. It was probably about this much lace in the front. So it was probably about this much lace in the front, and I just pulled out some hair and plucked it out a little bit, like not too much. So this is the better side, and then the part in the middle I literally did nothing but put powder. And this is the hair. It's so cute though. Like, let me see if I can show y'all the back without doing too much. I really enjoy the color. You can see the brown highlights in it. My lighting is terrible right now, but like I said, I really want to do a review on this wig. But I'll insert some clips of how it looked in the beginning, how it looked after I came from the beach the other day. Like I said, I actually messed this side up, but you know, if you don't know about hair like that, you don't really know. You wouldn't really know. But I got so many compliments. I don't know how long this wig is. Probably about 26 inches. It's real long on me. I'm 5'3". So it's pretty decent. But I'll try to drop some more to review later. I'm actually in a rush. I hate rushing. But hey, better late than never, you know. So again, this is the hair. Super pretty. The ends are perfect. I feel like if I wouldn't got it wet, it would have lasted so much longer. But because I got it wet, it is probably going to go a little faster than I expected. But it's cool. I was just wearing this until I dye my other wig anyway. And I'm going to keep it and probably cut it into like a bob or something. This is how it looks untucked. I am a tuck your hair type of girl. And this is just how it looks regular down. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a like. Make sure you subscribe to the gang. And I'll see you in the next video. So yeah, the hair looks way better. And it's light. So I'm gonna show y'all really quickly again. You can see the brown more. And it's the middle part. It's like a T-part. So you know, the T-part, you only get that little bit of lace on the outside. Like I said, this side is better because I cut this side off on accident. So I had to finesse it. But initially, like I said, I was not doing a video on this wig. But since I got so many compliments, why not? Let me just show y'all that back really quick again. Since I got some better lights. Okay. No makeup on the face, just a little eyebrow, a little lash, little lip gloss, and the real lips for my mama and my daddy. And yeah, I'm about to stop talking because I'm talking too much. So bye. I know it. You ain't fuck me, you fuck the old body. Go up with the heads, these bitches is nobody.